Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how to connect Squirrly Social with the next level marketing AI. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social in order to connect next level marketing AI with Squirrly Social. So we can send the social media posts created by the social media assistant inside next level marketing AI to our social media profiles with the help of Squirrly Social. We have to go over here to our name and then over here to account settings. Then we have to click over here to next level marketing AI and we have to paste our connection key over here. So let's go to the next level marketing AI app. And then in order to get our connection key, we have to go over here and then over here to connections. And we can see our token over here. So let's click on this button to copy the token. And then by going back to Squirrly Social, we are going to paste it over here and then click on connect. We can see that the application is connected, and by refreshing this page, we can see that the status is connected. I had the application connected in Squirrly Social because I have made this connection between Squirrly Social and Next Level Marketing AI before, and I have just deleted my token from over here by clicking over here to disconnect in order to be able to show you how you can connect it. So that's why this was still connected, and now I can also see this one as being connected as I have just remade the connection. And now by going to Content Queue and choosing an article and click over here add new social media creation task, and I'm going to choose a medium post, and then I'm going to click over here add new social media posts and continue. So now I have basically told the social media assistant to create me some social media posts for this particular article. I'm going to add an image over here. And now I'm going to click over here to the social media assistant. Those are the social media posts that the social media assistant has created for me. I'm going to click over here to save and approve messages. Then I'm going to click over here to publish through Squirrly Social and click over here to approve messages. Then we have to choose the post group where we want those social media posts to go to. And then click over here to approve messages. Now by going back to Squirrly Social, over here to post groups, to the post group that I have selected, and over here to approve, I can see my messages over here. And I can also see this image that is basically, that is the image that I added over here. So if I'm adding an image over here, as we can see, add feature image is going to be the feature image for the article, as well as the image for the social media posts, as we can see over here. So as you can see, the connection between the Next Level Marketing AI and Squirrly Social works perfectly. Until next time.